ordinary day, a soldier en route home on his annual leave was simply waiting for his train at the Jhansi railway station. What happened next was not fate testing a soldier, it was fate revealing one. A pregnant young woman collapsed into obstructed labor on the railway footover bridge. There was panic and helplessness. A terrified family clung to each other, surrounded by a crowd that did not know what to do. The lives of a mother and her unborn child were slipping away second by second. And into this chaos, he stepped forward with nothing but his bare hands, his training, and his courage. No sterile gloves, no medical kit, no labor room, and no support whatsoever. The consequences of any complication could have destroyed not just the lives of the mother and the child, but his own career, his peace, his future. Yet he did not hesitate, and in those impossibly heavy, terrifying minutes, he became everything that defines a soldier: calm in danger, fearless in uncertainty, and compassionate beyond measure. With just a dhoti, 2 hair clips, a pocket knife, and the strength of a heart that refused to let 2 strangers die in front of him, he brought life into the world with nothing but faith and resolve, shielding the mother and child from a fate that seemed inevitable just moments before. When the newborn cried, the crowd cried along. Strangers folded their hands, grown men broke down. An entire railway station witnessed not just a delivery, they witnessed what the Indian Army truly stands for. For living the spirit of the Indian Army at its noblest, even when on leave, but never off duty. Presenting Major Rohit, Indian Army, a real-life hero, a good Samaritan, an alert being, going beyond the call of duty.
Founder, Chairman, KPL Group of Companies, and Mr. Deepak Kohlikar,